this is Fuse YouTuber, and you need this. So for now, we're building a mini modern house. Head down, we need like this. Oh my god. For that, this, because this is just a mini modern house, like a professional. Oh my gosh, oops, I just, okay, the dark oak door is now using by my instructions. And this is my secret path to use these instructions to these ones, and we're gonna make a slab like that. This is just a mini modern house, don't forget. That modern house, and you can hide all of your stuff because this is just a second usage before the path and the left and the right. And now for the last change 5. So use this to make a modern and just like that. For now on, we're just making a mini modern house like this. And this. And now we'll just write this and stop in because my mini modern house, it is so great. Try it in your own tour tab. Mini modern house tour tab. And don't forget this. And that we just added, we build the modern house just incorrectly, like was I'm using. It's just a mini modern house, but you can add some details on your photo, like, and just done, added. And you make this. Professional. And just we added like this to perform our light. And please make sure to like and subscribe to my videos, just step by step like this. Oh my gosh, what is that? We're gonna need to blank that. Done. And this is my work of a true, just not because I am not Wi-Fiing. Oh, I'm Wi-Fiing. And make sure to like and subscribe. Oh my gosh. And done. That is our review. And take a picture. Thank you.